I mean, how do you even describe this place? It's just insane. It's a mansion's mansion. We made it to Hearst Castle. We just parked in the parking area. This is what it looks like out here. It's like a huge parking lot at the bottom of the hill mountain. You park down here and then it's a 5-mile bus ride up to the top. So we're gonna go get our tickets and stuff. Look at this little outside area they have. So if you come and eat here before you go up the mountain, if you go in the back, there's a super cool viewpoint. Yeah, it's up there on the top. So we're gonna munch real quick and then head up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Seriously amazing, the tour. I think if I came again, I would go on multiple tours. If we were here again, I would do like every tour.
Really beautiful, awesome parties, it sounds like.
Yeah, overwhelming, just the grandeur of everything. We're gonna walk around and shoot some video, take some cool photos, and the lighting is getting awesome. So it's almost golden hour, so we're gonna get some really, really good light. We just got done walking around Hearst Castle's grounds and they're gorgeous. We had a ton of fun here.
I've been to a lot of castles all over Europe, but this is by far one of the most beautiful I've seen.
Incredible, the detail is insane and you have to come,